name is Chuck Baker. The reason why I came in here was around a year ago. I had a situation in which I was experiencing a significant amount of pain in my hip area, and I was just sort of lagging through. And eventually I went to my primary care physician, and my primary care physician instructed me to get an x-ray of it. And when I did, I found out I had mild arthritis. So I spent the rest of the year just sort of lagging through. I would be in pain periodically, specifically when I laid down and things like that, but I felt like I could manage. I was one of those individuals that always felt like I could manage pain. It got to the summer and I said, well, you know what, let me see if I can do something about it. So I began to go to orthopedic specialists, and you know, a lot of them recommend hip replacement when it becomes too severe. And that's the last thing that most of us want to do. So I decided that I was going to spend some time investing some energy into finding out about alternatives. And while I was on the internet, I came across the Boyle-Pizzello Batman and Robin duo of orthopedic care. And what they began to advocate for is a new form of treatment called stem cell and PRP therapy. And stem cell and PRP therapy is a form of therapy that allows the body to heal itself. And I was all for that. And so I decided that I would set up an appointment and come see Dr. Pizzello. And when I did, he looked at my x-ray and examined me, and he said I'm a candidate for this type of therapy. So that was a relief to me. The next thing I did was around a couple weeks later, I got some stem cell treatment. And about 2 weeks after that, I got some PRP. And around 3 weeks after that, I got another PRP shot. And the point is that I'm feeling tremendously better. My range of motion is better. I'm not aching the way that I was, and I feel myself healing. Now, this is a 3 to 6 month process, so it's not something that's going to happen overnight. But the point is that from the beginning of my pain, if I were to put it on a scale from 1 to 10, I was probably at like a 9, 8.5 or a 9, and now I'm probably at a 2.5, which is much more manageable. It's made a difference between being able to have a reasonable quality of life and feeling like I was just bedridden at the age of 52. Now I look forward to the rest of the summer, and I will continue to progress forward with regards to Lyceum PM and the Batman and Robin of orthopedic care, Boyle and Pizzello.